Obstacle avoidance is a big topic. So, first of all, obstacle avoidance is about moving around objects that are on the floor, because one has to know that the old automatic guided vehicles, they were moving on predefined paths and they were stopping in front of obstacles. So this is, by the way, the excuse that are being used by new suppliers to forge a new name, which is Autonomous Mobile Robots, AMRs, which is supposed indeed to be in contrast to AGVs, automatic guided vehicles. Now, the topic is very broad because there are applications where avoiding obstacles makes sense. Like if you have a cleaning machine that has to move everywhere, then you will find obstacles and it makes sense that you move around them. Or if you have a guide robot in an airport where it is very crowded, there it makes sense. Unfortunately, AMR suppliers, they try to sell this as the final solution, but it is not true. There are a lot of cases where it makes no sense. The first one is very simple. Most of the production lines and warehouses, they have no space to have machines moving around, so obstacle avoidance in this case makes no sense. Or when you are seeking a lot of efficiency, then it's difficult to use obstacle avoidance because you want to have very precise and timing in the delivery. And another example is if you have many vehicles around, then you need to have a very good traffic management in order to guarantee delivery. And traffic management is not really compatible with obstacle avoidance. So we have obstacle avoidance with our solution. It's an option that one can use, but we advise our customers not to use it for production and warehousing applications.